Here are 5 tips that help small businesses to show up better in the Google search, Google Looker search, and it can bring you more visitors to your business. If you are a local business owner and you want to rank up your Google My Business page up in the list and you want more visitors to your business, then these 5 tips are very helpful for you, and you can get a lot of benefits from these tips, and you can also generate a lot of revenue, because if you get more visitors, then more visitors will help you to generate more revenue. Number 1 is your location related to your business should be mentioned in your Google business profile, because Google considered that location, that local area as your place for business. So Google will consider it as a local, and whenever people search for the dentist for this particular area, and if you are a dentist in that particular area, then Google will send you visitors on that keyword, right? This is a tip number 1. Number 2 is put the name of that place where is your business is listed in the title and content of that web page that is linked to your Google listing. What will happen? This will improve the chances of your Google listing and website showing up higher when people search for the term or for the service that you provide in that particular area. For example, if you are a dentist in Chicago and people are searching for the dentist in Chicago, and the Chicago is added in your Google My Business, and that is also in your content and title of web page that is linked to your Google account, then when persons will search for dentist in Chicago, there are a lot of chances that your website will show up, your Google My Business will show up, and people will come to your shop, right? Tip number 3 is add relevant subcategories to your Google business listing. If you are not sure about categories, you can also look at your competitors' listing. You can also use tools like GMB Everywhere, that is a Chrome extension of the Chrome, from where you can find out, and you can also add relevant subcategories to your Google business listing. It will help you generate more visitors, and more visitors will help you generate more revenue. 4th tip is get at least 10 Google reviews on your listing. Why I'm saying 10? Because Google considered it 10 reviews makes a big difference in your Google business profile ranking. It helps you to rank your website or your Google business page particular area. It will help you to get more visitors. So have at least 10 Google reviews. Ask your friends, family, or the person who are visiting your shop, your service area, or whatever service you are providing. Ask them to leave a review for you so that you can get a review and get at least 10 reviews in order to rank higher in the Google My Business. The 5th tip that is very important is create separate detailed pages on your website for each service that your business offers. This can help you show up better for these services and other related words people search for in the Google search engine. So like you are a digital marketing agency, right? And you provide SEO, marketing, social media, or other services. So you can create different web pages for your different services. This will help you to show up better for these services related words people search in Google every day. I hope these 5 tips were very helpful for you. If these tips were helpful, give a thumbs up to this video. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question with regard to this video or any kind of a question with regard to SEO, you can drop a comment below this video.